So today's investigation is still a bit light. Now this gentleman up here, he believes that he has there's a bit of the forest in here that actually has the elementals, which is the forest fairies. So we're going to have a look at this and see what you guys think. Okay guys, now that gentleman has left. He says it's here, so we're just going to wander about. He says they're mostly at the bottom of trees, so we're going to have a look about. Oh, there's one. Now, is there fairies in here? I'm going to go a bit further down. It's an interesting thing, little mushroom house. This is a second one. It's like a little doorway. This is a third one. That one's pretty cool. And this one's near a nice little bunch of flowers.